welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan. I create beauty, fashion, lifestyle content. So if you are new here, welcome. Please don't make it your last. Subscribe, join the family, and do well to tell a friend. So in today's video, we are going to be dermaplaning. So yes, I'll be shaving my face. I recently started modeling professionally, and I'm getting makeups on my face a lot. So, and I heard that research says that dermaplaning improves your skin texture, gives you a smoother skin, and also allows application of makeup to go in smoothly. So yes, I'm doing that today. We need an eyebrow razor for 700 naira. I'll leave a price on the screen, and I'll be using aloe vera gel. Most of the videos I saw, they used oil, and I have oily skin. I don't think I'll be comfortable applying oil on my skin again, so I'll be using this. I think this costs 1,000. I'll leave the price on the screen anyway. Yes, let's get right into it. Hi guys, this is Future Sue here with the voiceover. I noticed my mic wasn't working, so I'm done applying the aloe vera gel on my face. Now I'm going to take out one of the razors. Oh wow, we are matching. Did you guys see that my nail color matches the razor blade? So to shave your face, you need to hold your skin upwards so that you don't cut yourself. While shaving, please be careful of your sideburns so you don't cut them all out. So I'm going to take a cotton pad and use it to take out the dirt from the razor. It's an eyebrow razor, so when you hear me call razor, please don't think I mean razor blade. Yes, please, whenever you have active acne, do well to cover it up before shaving. Like, don't shave on the acne because you don't want to open it up and get it infected. This process does not only remove facial hairs, it also helps to get rid of dead skin cells. Now I'm going to wipe my face with baby wipes and just get rid of any residue, maybe hair and the aloe vera gel itself. If you notice, there's a difference in the way my skin looks now. Next off, I'll be using this micellar cleansing water to just tone my face and get rid of any excess oil. Next, I'll be using a sheet mask. You can skip this process, but I advise, just for that healthy glow, you need to use a sheet mask after shaving your face. It helps a lot. There's a big difference, but you can skip this and just continue with your normal skincare routine. Now this is my first time using this kind of sheet mask. I've never used a sheet mask that leaves a white lotion after you take off the mask, so I was pretty shocked and surprised. Now time for the big reveal. Can you guys see? I had to go and read the pack again, and it says massage the lotion into the skin. It took time, but it finally got into my skin and sat in nicely. As you can see, there's a big difference here from when I took it off. So I'm going to apply this serum. It's from Longrich. It has hyaluronic acid in it and it is very moisturizing, so I use it a lot. The white cast you can see is from the mark, so as I massage it in, everything just settles in nicely. And make sure you are bringing your products down to your neck. You don't want your face to be looking too bright and your neck is looking dark. Now my skin looks good. I'm very much hydrated. It's glowing. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried dermaplaning before, or are you going to try it? What are the results like? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.